So these are screw-on zip ties. These turn out to be a really convenient way to hang all kinds of things. You can basically strap this zip tie around something, zip it up, and then put a screw through this hole. One of the really great things about these screw-in zip ties is that you can hang up a lot more than just wires with them. Right now, I am essentially testing out the location of these lights. I'm not ready to commit to where I want to put them. These are the ballasts for the lights, and I can just put a zip tie around it and screw that to the 2x4, and now I've got a temporary mount that's not conductive and doesn't have any of the other issues you might associate with that sort of thing. I'd also like to secure this AC cord. Leave a little service loop here. Cinch down and attach. Fantastic.